Hi, it's Lori from Coast to Coast Craft Girls, coming to you from the West Coast. One more card with some paper folding tricks. This one's super simple. Goes together so quickly, but just love how it came out. I think it's so fun. A little bit of dimension. You can glue these down if you don't like the dimension, if you don't like them sticking up. I actually kind of like it that way, but whatever you want. So let me show you how it's made. Okay, so I'm going to start with the design. You need these are 1.5 by 4-inch strips of card, and you need double-sided cardstock with a pretty good contrasting because you want it, to be noticeable when you flip it over. And then you're going to score, or you don't even have to. I did score, but essentially you're going to fold this corner down to that corner and that corner up to that corner. Okay. You can score it because this is 1.5 inches, so measure in 1.5 inches and just score that diagonal. Now the thing that's important is you need 2 going each way, and I'll show you what I mean. So see how these are kind of opposite? So this one's scored from the bottom right up and then here up to the top left. This one scored from the bottom left and then up to the top right, and you need 2 of each. So they are opposite, and it took me a few minutes of, like, I got 2 of them done and I was like, oh wait, I need them the other way, and it took me a minute to think about how to do it. But if you just think about, if you do 2 the same and then look at it and go, okay, my other 2 need to be the opposite way, because otherwise they aren't going to create the pattern that you want. Okay, so this is Anna Griffin cardstock, but you can use any kind of double-sided cardstock. Then I've got a 5x7 card blank, and then just a piece of sort of coordinating plain card, and then I've got just 2 strips. This is 1 inch wide and this is 1/2 inch wide, and I'm going to put those together, and then that's going to create just kind of a little border for on here. So this is going to go here, my border is going to go on, and then I'm going to put my pattern on, and then I'm going to stamp a sentiment. But because I'm going to stamp my sentiment on this green, I'm going to kind of say, okay, my border is here like this, and then my pattern is going to go, let's see, because I got to decide where I'm going to stamp my sentiment. So that's there. I'll put my border, and actually I'm going to tuck my border underneath. So this is going to go here, and then this is going to go right on the edge of that, like that. But so it doesn't much matter, so right there. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down to the base card. And then this piece is 4.5 by 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this one on to the bottom of there with just a little bit showing, and then that way I'll get it just about right. Okay. Actually, I'm going to wait on that. I'm going to stamp first, because I don't want any dimension when I'm stamping. So then these are going to go, one's going to go here right at the bottom, and then you're going to take the other one, and that's why you need them going the other direction, like that. And then this one's going to go there, and then this one's going to go there, and they'll fit on there perfectly. So now I want to stamp my sentiment right there. So what I'm going to do is, just so that I know where it needs to go, I'm going to put a little line there, and now I can stamp my sentiment And then I'll erase that line. But I know that way I'll get my sentiment in the right place. And I don't want to stamp after I've got all this stuff glued down because I don't think I'll get a good stamp. So let me get my card in here. And I've just got a little birthday stamp from Spellbinders. This is their Go Wild Sentiments. Now I can put it all together. Now you can glue down these edges if you want. I think I'm going to leave them dimensional just because with my sentiment of untamed joy, I think it kind of goes with the untamed. And I'm just going to give them a good old crease. Get my bone folder out here. And there we go. All done. I think that's so fun. Love, love, love. So, thanks for watching.